It's another Whiteboard Wednesday, and today I want to talk to you about keeping your Facebook profile open. This is actually really important, and I can't tell you the amount of conversations I have with agents who don't open their Facebook profiles and keep them absolutely locked down and don't accept any clients as friends. And I think that is a massive mistake. I think that you guys are missing a massive opportunity, and here's why. You are an independent estate agent, so people are looking to you for trust. They want that personal relationship with you, otherwise they might as well choose Savills or Connells or Purple Bricks. But they're choosing you, because people buy people, and I know you've heard that lots of times before. But trust is also two-way. I went to see a client the other day, or a would-be client, and she showed me around her house, and she showed me into her bedroom and into her ensuite bathroom. And I stood there thinking, I bet none of her friends have ever been in her bedroom. Why would they? And yet me, an almost total stranger, has been invited into her bedroom. Now, if she was going to send me a Facebook request, of course I would accept that, because otherwise you're not engendering a two-way trust. You're saying you can trust me, but I'm not trusting you to be a Facebook friend of mine. And I don't think that's fair. The second reason is because of reach. Just from a practical point of view, I've got, I don't know, let's say 2,000 Facebook friends. I don't know 2,000 Facebook friends, but they're on my Facebook. And therefore, when I post something personally, they're much more likely to see it than they will do if I post something to 2,000 fans on our Facebook page. So profile has got much bigger reach than page, and therefore you might as well make the use of it. The last reason is authenticity. Anybody who knows me knows that I'm the same Sam wherever you see me. I'm the same Sam we did a video about this the other day in Firewave actually. Same Sam on video, same Sam up a hill, same Sam in a coffee shop, same Sam at an event. And that's something that I feel that does engender trust in people, because they know that you're not putting a special side of you forward. It's always the same you. So they know what to expect, and that makes them feel much more comfortable and reassured in your presence. And therefore, if you're going to show that side to the wider public on your Facebook profile, then people can really feel that connection with you and feel like they know you. I met somebody just recently in Marks and Spencer's car park, came and gave me a big hug and said, actually, I've just realised you and I have only ever met once, but I feel like I know you from your Facebook page, from your Facebook profile. And then he went on to put his house on the market with us. So I think that kind of relationship is deeply meaningful, even if it just starts off as you saying, yes, I accept this Facebook Facebook friend request, or that even you take the first step and you send them a request. So my advice to you on this Whiteboard Wednesday is open your Facebook profile, keep it open, and you'll be reaping the benefits for a long time to come.